I would say, all right, so it's tough because everything's, everything. The thing about recent IPOs is there's no history on the stocks. So, there's no support and resistance. There's no historical levels. So it's all price discovery. So the reason they're so appealing is the risk reward is great because if you can find a tight entry, remember there's no resistance, so these stocks can run more and more. So I'm more so looking at intraday charts and hourly charts, and I'm not swing trading and hoping for 150% winner when things pop. I'm selling some into the pop. It's much more active trading than just plain old swing trading, I would say. And I'm mapping out things using hourly levels much more than the daily chart because we don't have that history, that support and resistance from the past to look at.
I think a couple other quick little points for Carlos. I think there's like three main things. One is if you're going into an IPO, the first thing is you have to game plan how much you're willing to lose. So if you have,
number one.
Say you're willing to risk $1,000 in the name, you want to aim to make 5,000. That's the first goal because again, as Sheikh mentioned, there's no price discovery. You don't have a proper route. You don't really know where this thing's going to move to. So first you have to define how much you're willing to lose. And I think second and third is if you don't have like a pattern day trading account, like the $20,000 account or whatever the minimums are these days, and you can't really read a chart, you can't really read level 2, you're basically trading with your eyes closed. And if you're trading against someone like Sheikh, who's got the 6 monitors and can read level 2 and read volume and has traded thousands of IPOs, and you're trading against him, he's going to take your money. So if you're kind of new and you're trying to get into it, you're better off just kind of sticking with things that have already been out. There's thousands of stocks. It's much easier to trade a name like Merck than trying to jump into a recent IPO where you don't really have a proper game plan. But we do have a couple of videos, and we'll have Garrett put them in the link below that should you explain the snapshot IPO and a few other ones in great detail. So hopefully those videos can kind of go a little bit more into that question and help him if he does want to trade them.